got a triple baby. Got one right here. I got two in there. Okay. Yeah. Just hold still. We're taking these ones. 3, 2, 1. Now. Mark. Zane! Zane! Boy.
My boy ejected it, didn't read.
Go on, get up here. Attaboy. Leave it. Fetch. Go, boy. Get that bird. Get that bird, Zane. Go, boy. Get it. Attaboy. Come on. Attaboy. Attaboy. Bring it here. Bring it here. Here. Hold. Hold. Here, here, here. Here. Leave it. Good. Good boy. Good boy, Zane. Good boy. Good boy. 3, 2, 1. Now. Mark.
Oh, he hit the second one.
What was the first one? Where did it land?
I thought it was right there.
He's hurt. Look at him. He's going. He's going.
There he goes. He folded. Yep, he just folded.
Okay, so good. Oh, here comes two right behind. Two right behind. Two right behind. Right here. 3, 2, 1. Mark. 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 Zane. Zane. That was good.
That was good.
3, 2, 1. How the heck did we miss him?
I don't know. Definitely, I climbed the gun.
Go. 3, 2, 1. Dude, give me stones on that one. Zane, here. Here. Mark. Zane! Three, 2, 1, go. Shovey.
What?
That's shoveler. He's going down right there. Watch him. Oh, he's gone. He just gave the ghost.
100 yards in there.
Yeah.